Today we're diving into the world of comfort food with an irresistibly easy and delicious dish, our homemade corn casserole. This casserole is not just a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a breeze to whip up. And let me show you just how easy it is to make today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. First up, we're gonna preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna grease a 2.5 quart baking dish. That could be like a 9x9 size dish, and that's gonna ensure our casserole slips right out. Now to combine the ingredients, let's start with our dry ones. We're gonna grab a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. That's gonna form the base of our casserole. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup of white sugar for just a touch of sweetness. 2 teaspoons of baking powder to give our casserole that perfect rise. Now we love making this from scratch, but we get it, if you're in a rush, you can always reach for that box of Jiffy and replace that with these ingredients. Give the dry ingredients a quick whisk. Now for the heart of our casserole, the wet ingredients. Add in 1 14-ounce can of creamed corn, followed by 1 14-ounce can of drained corn. These ingredients are key to that classic corn flavoring. Then we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of sour cream for that extra creaminess. Then I'm gonna add in 8 tablespoons of melted salted butter for extra richness. Then add in 2 eggs, and we're just gonna simply mix this together. And then if you wanna get a little spicy, but not too spicy, you're gonna take a jalapeno and chop that up and remove those seeds. And finally, chop that up. Add those finely diced jalapenos right to that mixture and mix that until it is well combined. With all of our ingredients well mixed, we're gonna add that right to our casserole dish. This is where our casserole is going to start to come to life. Now we're gonna bake this in our preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is set and it no longer jiggles. And voila, you've got a delicious corn casserole that's perfect for any gathering. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.